Hello and good morning, everybody. We all know that the coronavirus outbreak has infected hundreds of thousands of people globally. Prevention of the spread of this virus attack is tried to be achieved though social distance through social distancing, personal hygiene measures, and avoiding contact with the infected person, and so on. So, to lessen the risks involved with contagiousness of the disease, several countries are put into lockdown, placing quarantine measures on the entire population. So, this has confined citizens to their homes unless they have to buy food, medicine, or seek any medical treatment. See, along with this, global companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Salesforce, Twitter, etc., have rolled out mandatory work from home policies and spread of COVID-19. So people are advised to avoid social gatherings and traveling to different countries or cities to avoid further spread of the disease. So, in all this new changed scenario, our total condition of living has changed. Coronavirus has impacted industries both ways. While some industries were adversely affected, there are some that are least affected by the pandemic. Some others are there which are thriving in this current market situations. So, lot of changes has happened around us. Today we shall discuss the impact of coronavirus on industries, various niches. We'll see both the affected industries and what are the industries that are going to thrive or survive this market breakdown that is going on around us. Ready for that? I'll quickly share my screen. See, these are some of the industries that has been affected the most. Travel and tourism, you all know that the travel and tourism industry is severely affected by the coronavirus outbreak. With COVID 19 being a pandemic, people are avoiding travel to different countries and cities, which has negatively impacted the travel business and has affected the tourism benefits of the affected countries. So, obviously, this industry is doing bad, is down. Next comes hospitality industry, with several countries and companies restricting all but essential travel, business, hotels in major cities are left with a lot of empty rooms. Hotel demand will be down sharply in the near term as the public puts off traveling because of coronavirus fears and regulations that limit public gatherings. Another industry that has been adversely affected is the retail industry. Retail industry has been devastated by the coronavirus outbreak and a number of stores have already had to close their doors. Major retailers in fashion, sporting goods, um, then tech, they have all made announcements to close down. Malls, shopping centers, supermarkets are temporarily shut down in effect of coronavirus. Also, since people distance themselves from social gatherings and crowded spaces, they prefer ordering their favorites or necessities online. And so is the case uh, with specialized items, the retail outlets that sell specialized items, especially like when while select retailers are not seeing any diminished sales, warehouse clubs, grocery, drugstores, they are all stocking up essential items and they are doing good. But generally speaking, retailers that sell wants, not needs. Now, more people are having only needs. they are keeping aside their wants. So all the retailers who are dealing with these wants, like apparel merchants, department stores, luxury goods items, uh, they'll all bear the brunt of this crisis. Next comes restaurants. The restaurant industry is one of the most exposed industries to major upheaval as the result of this pandemic. As most countries has recommended avoiding groups of over 50 people, some cities and states have told restaurants to switch to takeaway only, takeout only. Millions of jobs in the sector could either be lost or severely impacted by the outbreak. Now, with home quarantine and increased health consciousness, people have become more cautious, and restaurants may not see an immediate revival to the before corona stage. Recruitment industry is another industry that uh, has been affected the most, because the travel, leisure, hospitality, airline, and other major industries, especially manufacturing related industries, are going to experience layoffs. Jobs across all industries and countries have taken a huge hit now and will worsen in the coming months. So new recruitments will not take place. Even top level executives may face job redemption. Now, real estate, yes, with major companies halting their new projects and people sticking on to just their basic needs, they may refrain from investing in real estate. Transportation industry is also badly affected. Airline industry has been the most impacted by this outbreak. Flights are suspended temporarily and the airports are almost empty. Travelers might be hesitant to even fly in the immediate future. So the cruise industry has taken a huge hit too. And with travel ban and lockdown, people may avoid leisure travel for a while now. Local transportation too has been adversely affected, with buses, trains, cab services, etc. has come to a standstill. Aggregator businesses like Ola, Uber are also affected the most. They are all facing a downturn now. Now, as mass gatherings of people has been declared unsafe, many of the massive conventions, events, conferences, weddings and parties, get-togethers, that draw thousands of attendees from across the globe has been cancelled. So across the globe, almost every country that has been affected by COVID outbreak, they have restricted uh, people gathering. So everybody, not only the huge conventions and conferences and events has been cancelled, even when it comes to small get-togethers, weddings, uh, college events, everything has been cancelled. So event management industry is hit by this new uh, social setup that is existing right now. Well, when it comes to insurance, the rise of corona cases may end up with the demand for certain insurance types like uh, travel insurance. So, depending on the type of insurance that a company deals, there are positives and negatives of corona pandemic on the insurance industry. But generally, uh, it is facing a uh, downward trend. Sports and entertainment. Um, this The entertainment industry is adversely affected by the corona outbreak. Multiplexes will also have to contend with a fall in demand. In many places, the multiplexes are closed. Theme parks and movie theaters are temporarily closed down. Live sports events have been called off. Season sports has been suspended for now. So all major gaming destinations have been closed and some staff members have been furloughed or laid off. So sports and entertainment industry has been affected very badly. So yes, next comes automobile manufacturing and automotive sales and service related industry. See, automotive manufacturing, spare parts manufacturing, and sales are significantly affected by the coronavirus. Automakers are faced with serious supply chain disruptions as parts of uh, major uh, parts come from China, and China have become much more difficult as the country grapples with the disease. The demand for cars is decreasing at a time when people are trying to get just the basic life supplies. The demand for luxury cars is almost zero. So people may tend to avoid spending on luxury cars in the coming months. Logistic industry, the outbreak has affected everyone in this highly globalized industry. The freight transportation industry and the disruption in the sector like rail, road transportation has jeopardized over billions in wages for these workers. And it will be like that for the at least for a while now. Now, as the coronavirus devastates the economies across the globe, companies will likely pull back to or their expansion plans, leaving a huge gap in the construction industry. Smaller construction companies may have to lay off workers as their supply of equipment and accessories and parts from China is disrupted. Apart from that, when it comes to small time constructions, um, people may not go in for any new projects right now. Oil and gas is another sector that has been adversely affected as people continue to work from home and avoid travel, and with travel ban across the globe, the demand for oil and gas has plummeted. The film and cinema industry. It's been some time now that health officials across the globe has urged social distancing, and movie theaters felt the impact of that recommendation. Now that most countries has requested people to avoid gathering in groups of 50 or more, movie production, concerts, drama theaters have no choice but close down. Each time a production unit shuts down, it puts hundreds of crew members and cast out of work. Movies often have well over 500 crew members, including drivers, lighting technicians, directors, production assistants, camera operators, and so on. So, cinema and film industry has been hit, and it will take a while for them to revive in the near future. Another industry that has been affected adversely is the tech and gadgets industry. Many Chinese factories in lockdown areas have closed operations since late January, and this has had a major impact on the ability of many American tech companies to continue producing their products regularly. So the production of video games, video game consoles, smartphones and smart watches are all predicted to drop. Apple, Samsung, Google, and many major tech companies all closed corporate offices and factories in virus hit locations. Luxury products. This is a time when people are striving to stay safe and healthy. People are spending only towards their basic needs. So they may refrain from purchasing luxury items, and this trend may continue in the coming months too. FinTech. See, the COVID 19 spread is proven to be the biggest threat to the global economy and financial markets. Uh, if you look at the short term impact, we could see people making safer investments in the market. So, this means that there will be fewer investments in the stock market, a negative impact on the virtual capital funding of existing and new fintech firms. The fintech sector has experienced a drop in transactions at all levels, and since people have self isolated to protect themselves against this COVID spread, they are spending less than usual, leading to a low transaction rate. In fact, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum have experienced a major dip amid the coronavirus effect. So these are some of the industries, some of the niches that are affected very badly, and the downward trend may continue in the coming months too. So though on one side there is a set of industries that has been affected adversely, there are industries that are expected to grow, there are industries that are performing well, there are industries and niches that are surviving all these adverse market conditions existing across the globe. Let us have a look at those industries that are expected to grow or will perform or will overcome this uh, market situation that is prevalent. Ready for that? Who all wants to know what are they expected? Because I thought this list might help you all in so that you can uh, plan your business much in advance and be prepared to face the poor market conditions and the uh, downward trend that is happening. I know that a lot of my friends they are not doing business. Some have closed down their shops. Um, some e-commerce based things are not working. But um, let us see. Like it is time for you to rethink and uh, plan some new steps in getting into these industries. Some of these industries they will survive this poor market conditions. The first and foremost is digital products. See, the so-called stay-at-home economy will continue its ascent and it will only compound as more people experiment with working and learning from home. This will boost the demand for digital products, and digital products are less vulnerable to fluctuations in demand than physical goods, as they are not affected by changes in production volume or shipments. So, digital products are going to experience a very good performance in the coming months. If you are interested in learning to make your own digital products or you want to get into digital product uh, business, you will get good recommendations inside my Facebook groups, Marvelous Entrepreneurs, and as well as the another group called Freedom Lifestyle Mastermind. In fact, I give training in developing your own digital products inside my training programs, Digital Business Challenge and Freedom Lifestyle Unleashed. The another industry that will perform better and is doing better is doing good rather is online coaching and teaching industry. During this outbreak, many have turned to online education and ed, ed tech companies have found an opportunity here as worldwide traditional learning or training institutions are trying to adapt and accelerate their transformation to remote teaching. The online education sector is experiencing a boom as schools globally are suspended. Other education companies are also launching more e-learning courses while developing data tools to analyze student performance and help teachers track their performance. As the virus continues its spread in several countries and as more universities and schools have moved online in the wake of the coronavirus, this trend might be a natural marketing campaign for these type of educational tech companies. There are a lot of individuals also like who are running educational tech business, online coaching and training business, and they are running multi-million uh, business even with the help of a very small team, or even solopreneurs are also handling huge businesses. I'm one such person, and I'm offering training in digital business challenge course to start online coaching business to coaches, trainers, teachers, small business owners, and other subject experts. In just 40 days, you will be able to launch your online coaching business using this training. I also offer a 1 year training program called Freedom Lifestyle Unleashed to start and grow your own online profitable business. If you have any knowledge or idea that may impact others, you can launch your own successful online business with the help of my training program. So you can get in touch with me, you can message me, or you can leave a comment below in case if you are interested. Another industry that will perform well in the coming months is the alternate energy. The impact of coronavirus has finally made people think strongly about clean energy, pollution control, and environmental protection. So, the studies have forecasted solar installations to grow in coming days. Governments are drawing up stimulus plans in an effort to counter the economic damage from the coronavirus. So these stimulus packages offer an excellent opportunity to ensure that the essential task of building a secure and sustainable energy future doesn't get lost amid the flurry of immediate priorities. Large-scale investment to boost the development, deployment, and integration of clean energy technologies such as solar, wind, hydrogen, batteries, carbon capture should be uh, a part of government's plans in various countries because it will bring the twin benefits of stimulating economies and accelerating clean energy transitions. So the progress will achieve in transforming countries' uh, energy infrastructure, and it can make a lasting difference to our future. Another industry is that will perform well is affiliate marketing. The demand for digital products is on any-time high now, and this may continue for the next few years. This puts affiliates who promote intangible goods in a better position. Another benefit of promoting intangible goods as an affiliate is that most such affiliate programs offer recurring commissions. So this means that you usually get multiple commissions from a single referred customer. Um, I have told this a lot of times inside my Facebook groups. Um, if in case if you are interested in becoming an affiliate for subscription based intangible goods, you may join my private FB group. One group that's for both men and women is Marvelous Entrepreneurs. There is a women's only group also. It's called Freedom Lifestyle Mastermind for Women. You can get access to free and paid resources on affiliate marketing, product recommendations, affiliate niche selection, and even training resources inside these groups. I'll only be happy to help you with any questions pertaining to digital products, business, online coaching and training business, and affiliate marketing. Because this is what I do. I have my own digital product that I offer in my online coaching, and I also do affiliate marketing. So my groups are mainly about helping people with these things. So you can post your questions and comments or doubts or queries, whatever you have. You are welcome to join my Facebook groups. Women especially can join my Facebook group, Lifestyle Freedom Lifestyle Mastermind. Whether it is Marvelous Entrepreneurs or Freedom Lifestyle Mastermind, please keep in mind one thing: you have to answer the 3 qualifying questions to get an entry into these groups. Now, coming to the next industry that will see a uprise is alternate medicines and treatments. The government-led expert panels in few countries are asking top health research bodies to recommend alternative medicines or therapies for some antibiotics, vitamins, and hormones which may get out of stock soon. But this may increase to more countries because other countries are watching these few countries. And India is one among the pioneers who has asked its health officials to come up with some alternate medicines and therapies. So, as people are making a shift towards immunity, stress relieval, healthcare sector is also um, going to see a boom in the coming days. Now, spiritual sciences. See, there are 3 levels of response to the COVID outbreak. How it affects us physically, mentally, and spiritually. The physical response came first, and by now everybody knows that self isolation, social distancing, and testing are the things that are involved in the physical response. The second effect that is on our psyches is being experienced personally, but only fitful answers and advice. The best advice in the mental area is meditation and yoga, relaxation techniques, and paying attention to every day to find not just relaxation and joy, but comfort in your life. The issue of finding inner peace and joy will be getting more takers in the coming months. So people will tend to look deeper into soul searching, and the interest in spiritual sciences may likely go up in the coming months, and that will remain like that for the coming few years. Another market that will see a huge uprising will be the hyper local marketplaces. See, while people are under isolation to mitigate the impact of COVID 19, hyper local delivery services are making the most of it. For example, doorstep delivery services for food, medicine, grocery, packages, etc. are gaining ground. To make it safe for the recipients and riders, food delivery companies uh, like Deliveroo, Postmates, Instacart, Zomato, then they are all giving options to choose contactless delivery, wherein the rider drops off the package outside the doorstep. So that market will see a huge uprising now, and they are going to uh, perform better. Gig market industry is another industry that will see uprising. Uh, though there are people like who believe that gig market is adversely affected, I personally believe that the freelance business is will be, will perform better because many companies are generally running low on staff, and as they are trimming their budgets and are increasingly they'll be relying on freelancers to pitch in. This gives them the advantage of having a temporary employee work for the company at a much lesser cost than a permanent one. So gig economy is going to be cost effective for the companies, given that they can accommodate a temporary workforce according to customer requirements or business needs, leading to saving administrative and compliance costs. So this framework allows startups and smaller companies and to leverage skilled professionals as required. So there will be a huge demand for gig workers, and it will see a boom. Health and wellness is another industry that will uh, see a huge uprising. In the face of this pandemic, immunity can be our biggest weapon. With this in mind, and alongside clear directives from many government authorities to steer clear of crowded places, home exercise programs and fitness equipment industry are well positioned to boom. Health apps and live broadcasts of fitness classes have surged. So, the data from research organizations showed that during the epidemic outbreak, sales of skipping ropes, dumbbells, yoga mats soared to more than uh, 60 to 100 percentage. So, as the coronavirus spreads globally, worry and panic are also on the rise. People with a lot of background anxiety are not easily reassured. Therefore, it is no surprise that since the start of coronavirus outbreak, millions of people are worried that they have contacted the virus and are turning to online health platforms to seek consultation. It should be noted that during the epidemic, newly registered users on these online platforms grew almost 10 times, with an average daily consultation of about uh, 9 to 10 times uh, as normal users. Mental health is one field which is going to see a boom, which is going to thrive now and will continue to in the coming months. Uh, See, the rise of corona cases may end up with the demand for certain insurance types like travel insurance, but there is a hike in the demand and awareness about insurance plans for health and life coverage. So, this particular sector will thrive in the coming months. Investing is another area like which has adverse impact as well as a positive impact. See, given that any sector related to international trade and imports, the focus will shift back to buying in domestic sectors, while including BFIC, private banks, NBFCs, cement, consumer goods, fast moving non durables, and paints will also benefit from the reduced oil prices. So, investors will focus on these sectors. gardening is another industry, or gardening industry will thrive in the coming days. Because when thrown out uh, into turmoil, we are forced to re-examine how we live and uh, our consumption choices. Look around and you will find a space that could be filled with food. It can be lawns, verges, community gardens. If you live in an apartment, a shade communal area, they all work. See, reconnecting to nature by means of a, a small garden is a tremendous balm to these peculiar times. Since we are unable to take off traveling in the near future anyhow, it is apt to put down a few roots. Uh, Go to the ground literally. You may be surprised at just how much you will fall in love with eating the produce you have had a hand in creating. So try to create a small home garden. You can not only grow and eat healthy organic veggies and fruits, you can also um, get rid of the stress factor. It's a huge stress reliever. Online gaming and entertainment industry is set to thrive. The mobile gaming industry has been experiencing an explosion in terms of downloads. Video streaming companies such as Netflix, Amazon, Disney Plus are expected to have a rise in the number of subscribers. As more people stay home in self isolation and take quarantine measures, there is increased use of alternate entertainment services such as games, videos on demand, etc. Artificial intelligence and data science are helping fight the coronavirus sourcing and building crucial data sets to help the world find an answer to the top challenge right now. Even policymakers are calling on the global data science community to develop data models that can help them better understand this corona transmission rate and things like that. So this could go on for a longer time. So data sciences and artificial intelligence are going to stay in the market for a while now. Last but not least, remote working uh, is another industry which is going to um, see a northward rise. Nowadays, the enterprise software industry is picking up faster than ever before, with remote work apps witnessing a boom as millions of people resort to work from home. So, downloads of indigenous work apps like Alibaba's Ding Talk or WeChat or Lark, Zoom, they have all jumped exponentially amid the health crisis and the poor market conditions around the globe. So these are some of the industries which may see an upward trend. I hope this has helped you to get an insight on taking your next business steps, or if you want to rejig your business or replan your business plans. So in case if anybody is interested in affiliate marketing, online coaching, or training business and setting up your own digital products business, do let me know. If you have any questions in these areas, post your questions in the comment box and let me know like whether this session helped you or not. Until we meet next time, stay marvelous, stay healthy, stay inside. Thank you.